Hey there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 5390 Wild Cinnamon Drive here in Melbourne, Florida. We're in the 32940 zip code, so we are in the Viera area. And we're going to take a look at this gorgeous home. And we are going to let you see a little more of that front yard as we get into the house. So as we step in, nice big open area. Got our dining room over on this side. More of a formal family room over here. And we are doing an open house right now, so we do a little spread of food out here. But this little cabinet opens up and we have an ironing board in there. We do have our microwave and our oven. Nice refrigerator, lots of cabinets. Gorgeous area here, nice sink. Look at that, we got a pool and a lake view out there. So imagine when you're cooking, that is what you're gonna be looking at. Got lots of counter space, nice little bar area here, so you can get easily 4 bar stools there. Got your center island with the stove on it, plus still plenty of space. As we swing around this way, we've got a gas fireplace, nice family room area, perfect for entertaining. If you are having a nice dinner party, you'll have plenty of ability to do your cooking and still talk to your guests. And since we're here, I'm gonna go ahead and step out. You have this gorgeous pool area. Place for sitting. We've got our summer kitchen with our grill there. Look at that gorgeous pool and lake. Plenty of space over here under the rooftop. So if we need some shade, we can certainly get some shade. More view there. Super cute little turtles. Fish on the bottom of the pool. Nice bar area all the way along if we want to put some bar stools out here for sitting up there. Nice view of that lake. You are not from Florida. Isn't that just the perfect scene right there with the palm trees and the pool and the lake in the background? Nice little table set up with a place to sit down so you can actually sit in the pool and enjoy your lunch. Again, 5390 Cinnamon Drive, Wild Cinnamon Drive here in Melbourne, Florida. That's our pantry, and as we go back you can see there is our front door back to that dining room area and formal living area. And we're going to cruise down the hallway now, check out the guest bath. Nice little sitting area in there. Nice tile in the shower. Let's go check out the bedrooms first, then we'll cruise over to the garage. So, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, as you can see, lots of natural light coming in. Washer and dryer, got a nice shelf up top. We all have all kinds of stuff all the time. Floor out here is looking really nice. Got our hurricane shutters up on the wall. A little extra shelving on the side. And passing back past that front door, and if you can see, that front door is really pretty. It's got the egrets and the palm trees etched into the door. And before we go in, you see you have your double doors out to the pool there. And then once we step into the primary bedroom, we again have double doors there. We do have carpet in the bedrooms. Plenty of natural sunlight, and I know it's a little hard to tell on video, but this primary bedroom is a very nice sized primary bedroom. So we step into the bathroom. We have a little vanity area here where you can sit and do your makeup if you must. And we've got double sinks, lots of cabinets, got a garden tub here. Nice big shower. Sorry, I am not trying to be anywhere in the video, but there I am. And again, plenty of space here. And then check out this closet. Like, isn't this crazy? Like a bedroom. That's how much space we have. It's like a full bedroom in there. So, plenty of room there. Back out to the main portion of the house. Gorgeous view out the front as well. Perfectly landscaped. Brand new mulch. Pretty trees. We have a brand new paint job inside here. And of course, everybody's most favorite place. Not the kitchen, not the family room, not that gorgeous gas fireplace, but right there, that's the shot. So if you are interested in this home, 5390 Wild Cinnamon Drive here in Melbourne, Florida, 32940. You can call or text anytime to get your own private showing. My phone number is 321-480-7662. Or if you already have an agent, have your agent bring you out. Signing off here in Melbourne, Florida. Hope to see you soon. Thanks. Bye.